Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the sticker mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser and then double click the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button and then click Open Image to open the mockup. And then you just want to find the PNG version on your computer. And depending on which mockup you purchased, you might have a different shape sticker or different backgrounds. Just pick one you like and click Open. And it'll ask us if we want to size it down. We're just going to click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And now to add our design, we want to click on the square icon with the diagonal lines that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. There we go. And then when this comes up, you want to click Add Media, browse your own files. And then just find your design off the computer. And most likely it'll add your design to the front. We're going to move it to the back after resizing it. So to resize it, just click and drag one of the four corners, and we want it to overlap the circle, and now we want to drag it to the back. So the bottom layer is probably locked, so you just want to click on this padlock icon in the bottom right hand corner of the thumbnail icon of the background layer. You can see how that changed from a padlock to an eye. Now we can click and drag the layer with the design right underneath the layer with the background. You'll see now we have it behind the mockup. And I'm just going to click on the layer with the design and then press the arrow keys on my keyboard to move the sticker into place. And that's all there is to adding your design to the PNG version of the sticker mockup in Pixlr. And when you're all done, you just want to click the Save button at the bottom here. If you're going to use this online on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So make sure JPEG selected. I'd change the quality to 100 and leave it on high. And then just click Save As. And it'll just ask you where you want to save it on your computer. And then once you've got the right spot, click Save. In a few seconds, this save menu will go away. And this will come up and then we can just click the X to close it. If you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document with your design in it, you just come back here a second time and click the Save button again. And then this time just click on PXC, and I probably toggle on the non-destructive by dragging the slider to the right, and then click Save As again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. As always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great night.